Hey, hey, Brian Sensei here. Do you ever notice in Windows when you copy something to your clipboard, you can only paste the most recent thing that you copied? Do you ever wish that you could see a history of things you've copied to your clipboard and then choose what you would like to paste? Well, guess what? We can do it. Let's dig in. Okay, so here I am working on my desktop, and I want to go over to the browser and I want to take a screenshot of some content here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to go ahead and run the snipping tool here, and I'm going to start a new snip. And I want to capture this area here to put in my presentation. Great, there it is. It's copied to the clipboard. Close out of that. Go back to my PowerPoint. And now I can paste this into my PowerPoint slide. All right, now I want to get some text. So I'm going to go back to the browser here, and I'm going to copy this description about the YouTube channel. So I'll copy that. I'll go back to my presentation, and I'll paste that here in this text box. So now I've copied and pasted a couple of items. Well, what if I wanted to paste this image one more time on another slide? Well, unfortunately, I can only go back to the last thing that I copied, which is the text. I'm not going to be able to find that image that I copied to my clipboard earlier. However, if we turn on the clipboard history, we'll be able to do this. Here's how it works. We're going to go down to search, and we're going to search clipboard. And here we'll see clipboard settings. In here, all we need to do, at the very top, we're going to see clipboard history. Save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows logo key plus V to view your clipboard. So I'm going to turn this on, and that's it. I'm going to close the settings. And now we're going to go back here and we're going to try this again. Now, if I hold down Windows and V, here's my clipboard that comes up. But notice there's nothing on it yet because we just turned it on. So we're going to close it. And now we're going to go back and we're going to capture this image again. Snipping tool. And we're going to paste that into our PowerPoint. Then we're going to come back over here and copy this text again. And we're going to put that in our presentation slide also. And so here we are. We've done some copying and pasting from our clipboard. Let's now see if we can go back in the history and use both of these items. Let's hold the Windows key and V, and boom shakalaka. Here's my image I captured, and here's the text I copied. And I can now select which one I would like to use. I want to use the image again, so I'll go ahead and click on this, and boom shakalaka, pastes it right in for me. And that, folks, is how you use the clipboard history. I hope this was helpful. If you have any feedback or you would like a specific video tutorial created, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.